What's those?
Diva cup.
You stick that inside of your privates?
I couldn't stand the way she was saying, but you have to chew it, you have to dig it out. I was like, oh.
Dig it out.
What is this? What's this? It's a little looking packet. Oh, that's the other one. That's the menstrual disc.
Hi, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Bliss in the house. Yeah. I know the beginning of this video kind of freaked a lot of you guys out because y'all was like, girl, what you doing? Don't do this yet. Stop. Pump the brakes. Look, y'all, ladies, we do not have to be embarrassed or ashamed because I'm about to go into the nitty-gritty of this. Yeah, so you'll know what this is all about. So I've always been that girl working out and not necessarily in a gym. I prefer to be outside in the elements, getting some of that natural vitamin D. I've been rambling. Today's video is about the best pads for working out. So there's two brands that I really love. However, I've ran out of one brand, so now I'm on a second brand. So the best pads for working out are one of the best brands of pads to consider when you still want to work out when it's that time of the month, whether you're an outdoorsy type of chick like myself or you like to go to the gym. I highly suggest Always. And it doesn't necessarily have to be Always Radiant. I think they also have Always Infinity. Always have like a long line of pads that you can choose from, but my favorite is definitely the Always Radiant with the zero feel. So always make sure you look for the zero feel because that's what's going to really make the difference. Basically what the zero feel means is that this is going to be extremely lightweight. This is not going to be one of those heavy duty bulky pads. It is going to feel like you absolutely wear nothing. This is the type of pad that I prefer to wear even if I'm not working out because it is very thin. It provides a lot of coverage. And one of the most important things that, you know, a lot of us women are concerned with is odor. Listen. This particular brand is definitely an odor eliminator. No one will ever be able to tell that you are on your cycle. So I really want to show you guys what these pads look like. But FYI, for this particular one, you get about 10 in a box. I believe it costs like $3.99, something along that line. So it's a little bit pricey than your regular everyday pad, but I'm fine by that. It's worth it. Yeah, so you get about 10. I've already used quite a few already out of this particular box. I love the packaging. I like that now they make pads really cute. Back in the day it was like a little blue paper or green paper. Everyone knew when you were on your cycle. So this is kind of cute. Let me just tell you, it also has a nice scent to it. I don't know how they get like this fresh scent to it. Now, because I know a lot of you guys probably got questioned. You don't want nothing perfumey while it's that time of the month. It's not anything perfumey. It's just something really fresh, and it doesn't linger. You don't even realize that this thing even has a scent. Just like any other pad, it still have like the little seal here for you, and you just pull it open like so. And here it is. So again, this is the overnight one, but they do have the super long. I prefer the overnight. You don't have to have the overnight. I just like it because it gives me more coverage. But you use what feels best for you. But this thing is uber thin, like super thin. Look at that from the side. Like that's super thin. Y'all, I like that it has like little holes in there. I don't know if you can see it, so it's breathable. See that? It's breathable, and I think some of that kind of helps with the odor eliminating because it is a breathable pad, whereas back in the day and even right today they still make the same kind of pads that's full of cotton, but it's not a breathable pad at all. It is 100% leak proof. You guys, I'm speaking from experience. It's 100% leak proof, and it mentions that along the side of the box. I need that. Also, you get 8 hours of wear, which is also listed on the box as well. Now, let me just tell you this. I have gone as far as wearing mine for 10 hours. Now, do I suggest that? Absolutely not. But I have pushed it to 10 hours, and let me tell you guys, it holds up. Now, I don't recommend that you go beyond 10 hours, but it will most certainly take you up to 10 hours. But the recommended hours is 8 hours, and then switch it out. And I definitely suggest, really, after 8 hours, you go ahead and you switch it out, because like anything, if you wear anything too long, where it is coinciding with moisture, then that could cost you some irritable skin. So you definitely don't want that down there. But I have pushed it to 10 hours. I don't recommend it. Don't go beyond 8 hours. So it does have an adhesive on the back, which I like. And I also have wings. I can't do nothing without wings. So the wings really kind of help keep things in place. If you go to the gym, if you're wearing anything fitted, this will not bulk out the back of your pants. You can go to the gym and you can feel confident in your workout. Even if you're outside walking, getting that vitamin D, you can feel confident in your workout. And what I do like too is when you're preparing to switch your pad out into a fresh one, when you pull it off. Now, I have had a situation where it would stick and it would tear up, especially if you are pushing it to the limit like I may do at times. It will tear in your underwear, and that's definitely not cute. However, I have not had this experience with this one. Y'all, don't sleep on Always Radiant Infinity. I think it's Infinity. I'll try to post them all here because these particular brands are just great. This particular brand also goes great with teenagers. I remember as a teenage girl, I could not stand those bulky pads because I was always in fear someone knew when I was on my cycle, because I felt like people can see it. So your teenage girls, or you as a grown woman, would like this a lot. You have typically a cycle can last up to 7 days. So usually the first day is light, and then second, third, fourth day you probably have your normal flow, which could be moderate to heavy, and then after that, day 5, 6, you're light as a flower. So you may want to consider having a pad for each cycle flow that you have, if that makes you feel more comfortable. However, what I wish Carefree will do is get some breathable pads, because these panty liners, I guess you can consider them to be panty liners, they are not breathable at all. However, I still just like it, just in case you just have a little just a tad something your last day or so. So I like to kind of wear that to finish things off. This is also great for the gym as well, because it's extremely lightweight too. So yeah, you guys, that concludes today's video. This is my top pad of choice for working out. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you always. I really love these pads, and I always try to make sure I keep these handy dandy pads on standby, girl. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.